Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing something really flavorful. It's chickpea curry. It's vegetarian and it's so delicious. Guys, you have to try this recipe. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes. So come along with me and let's do this very easy and nutritious recipe. So to get started, I have my oil in a pan. I'm using Rapseed oil and I'm adding lots and lots of onions because to have a good curry, you need lots of onions, guys. So I'm using 2 large onions and I want this to caramelize nicely and it smells so amazing, I tell you. And I'm going to add chopped chilies, okay? Just to make the oil smell so good. And I like the chilies as well. It gives it a really lovely taste, guys. So guys, my onions is caramelized nicely. I'm going to add my spices. I'm adding my spice at this time because it gives it a lovely aroma, okay? I have some cumin, I have some coriander, I have some paprika. I'll put them all in the description box for you guys. It smells amazing. So guys, I'm adding my chopped tomatoes, okay? Yeah, you need tomatoes for your curry. So I'm adding chopped tomatoes. And yeah, it smells so good. Oh, I can't tell you enough. It smells amazing. You have to try this recipe, guys. It's so flavorful. So guys, the next thing to add is my ginger paste and also my garlic and onion paste with some spices in it. I'll put them all in the description box. It smells so good, guys. You have to try this. This is vegetarian. It's so delicious. Try this recipe and you will thank me later. Right, so my tomatoes has cooked down nicely. Just look at this. It's cooked out nicely. So the next bit to add is my star of the show, the chickpeas. Yes, I'm using a canned one, but you can use raw one. Just buy raw one, just pressure cook it, and then yeah, it's good to go. I tell you, it is delicious. So just try this and you are going to love it. My kids really loved it, and it's so nutritious. So guys, as you can see, I'm adding a bit of salt to it to taste because it needed a little bit of salt. And I tell you, to take this curry to the next level, you add some coconut milk. Yeah, the coconut milk gives it really lovely taste. It's so delicious, guys. You have to try this. I add a little bit of water and then I'll allow it to simmer for a while just to cook down so that then our curry will be ready, I tell you. So guys, as you can see, our curry has cooked down nicely. Look at that. It smells so good. My kitchen is amazing. You know I like my greens, so I'm adding some chopped spinach to it, but you can make it if you don't want to. You can add coriander as well if you prefer that, but I love chopped spinach in this. Oh my goodness, it smells so good and it tastes amazing. So guys, just look at that. The aroma in my kitchen, I can't really tell you, is so amazing. Guys, you have to try this recipe. So my chickpea curry is done and it tastes so good. So guys, this is the chickpea curry. It is amazing. Oh guys, it smells so good. So you have to try this recipe. I'm having mine with white rice, but you can have it with naan bread or any flat bread that you have. It tastes amazing. I have naan bread recipe on my channel, so I'll put that in the description box. But I tell you, you have to try this recipe. If you like this recipe, do give me a thumbs up, okay? And please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you all. Those who share my videos and those who comment on it as well, those who like it, may God bless you all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.